If, as an equipment manufacturer, your business relies upon a network of installers, contractors, and service partners to look after your customers, we know how hard it is to onboard new technicians and then ensure that they have easy access to the knowledge, documentation, instructions, support, and guidance they need to deliver high-quality, cost-effective work at scale. Atheer has seamlessly integrated AR-powered remote support technologies, step-by-step work instructions, digitized workflows, and sophisticated content management in a simple, easy-to-use service performance app that significantly increases technician productivity and consistency. Atheer's customers gain unprecedented visibility into and control of actual work execution across their entire service network, helping them accelerate revenue growth, launch new business lines, and increase customer loyalty. Get a demo of Atheer today and see how, in days, we can help you ensure that your extended service network is installing, configuring, troubleshooting, and servicing your products and equipment the way you want, and the way your customers expect. Atheer Service Performance Transform.